Hey everybody, this is Mo with 901 Sounds in Memphis, Tennessee, located at 2235 Governor Pike. So today we worked on a 2018 Razor, and we literally put 10 LED rocks on here from LED Concept, along with the actual Bluetooth interface. And you can tell how bright the laminates are. They're waterproof, they're secured. We have them inside the carriage, and we have them on the outside part of the carriage. And we kind of use the Bluetooth app that they offer, and it kind of allows you to kind of control your patterns, your speed, your colors, different designs basically. So it's pretty awesome though. If you're in the Memphis market and you decide to get one installed on your vehicle, just come by and check us out. I'm here 7 days a week, and I'm gonna go ahead and turn the lights on so you guys can see what this beauty looks like basically. Got some really nice interior lights as well too in the interior carriage. Kind of see how they're lit up. Here we go. Got some 4K quality video. I hope the video kind of helps you guys out a little bit though. You can see where we put them in and install them at. And of course, you got some really good effects, even during the day, basically. Got to get this detailed and ready for delivery. But if you have any questions, come by and check us out. We're here 7 days a week. This is your boy Mo in Memphis, Tennessee with 901 Sounds.